So we're here at Environmental Charter High School in Gardena, and we've got our native garden. It's got some fruit trees in it for people, and it's a native garden for the pollinators. That's what we have it doing, and we have yet to do this side, but where you can see over here, we're mulching this in. We decided, because it's a high school, that we're gonna have we're gonna do MP rotators here, the rotary nozzles, and we are putting mulch everywhere. Here's a Cercis occidentalis. Here's one of the MP rotators. We're actually locating them high because this is going to be a dry creek bed. There's going to be a phase 2 to this, but that's why there's nothing planted here. We're going to put in about 20 tons of rock over here and put some seeding stones. This is going to be old tires that normally would be scheduled for the dump. And how long does it take to break down? They estimate about 500 years, or they burn them, which is lovely for the atmosphere, right? So in this case, students are going to repurpose them. They're going to paint them, make planters out of them. Over here, we've got the mulch going in, and very special thanks to Gensler Architects for everybody's out here working today. We've got about 50 cubic yards of mini bark. And so we put quite a dent in it, but as you can see, there's still quite a bit more. And it's all going down about a 3-4 inch layer of mini bark. That's going to help remediate the soil. So we can go meet some of the architects. Hey, here we got, and who do we have here? This is
Johnny from Gensler.
Johnny from Gensler. Okay, and
hey, I'm Shira.
Shira, and who's this?
Who are you?
Samar
Okay.
from Shira.
Oh my goodness. Okay. Thank you.
Nava
Thanks for
Shira.
all your hard work, and you're so wet. Were you just working so hard you're just sweating away, or no? Were you having fun?
Yeah.
Okay, that's what it's about. Thanks. And who have we here?
Melanie, hi.
Okay, from where? From
Gensler.
Gensler. Perfect. Thanks. Boy, Gensler really saved the day. And who do we have here?
Honey, can you tell me your name?
Look at this. Wow. He's just...
That's Henry John Hampton. I'm Heidi.
Okay, from Gensler. Wow. Gensler. And Gensler is... oh, and who do we have here?
David.
David.
Yeah.
And where are you all from?
Gensler.
Gensler. Team Gensler. Wow. Thank you so much for all you're doing today. And you even brought the new, next generation of Gensler. Right. There, look at this. He's just unbounded energy. Just incredible. Okay, and you know what? Here's the interesting thing. This, in between the two lines there, it was actually mulch, and we put quite a dent in. I would estimate we probably dropped about 20 cubic yards of mulch down. So we still have more to go, but there's always another day. So, don't forget Noah from West LA.
We're here.
Noah's Ark Landscaping, good. Oh, and we have the artist over here. It's this big thing. It's a big fish going to Burning Man. Noah, did you know it's going to Burning Man? Yeah. And who is this?
How you doing?
Yeah, are you legal? Oh, okay.
Noah Nino.
Nino, okay. Nino the artist, and where's this big thing going?
It's going to Burning Man at the end of the month.
Great. Wow. Very cool. And you teach here at Environmental Charter High School.
I'll be teaching this fall.
Perfect.
Yep.
Wow. Thank you so much for all your help.
Yep.
So, okay. And then we have over here somebody else helping out. Who's this? Hi. Are you with Gensler? Are you with Gensler?
No.
Oh, okay. Oh, you're with Nina. Okay, the artist. Right.
With
Okay.
the artist.
Okay, great. Okay, well, we're just ecstatic that we got so much work done today. And so next thing will be rock art. We're going to be building a dry creek bed here in the soil area in the middle there. So, okay, thanks for joining everybody. Mike with Enviroscape LA signing off. When you think permaculture, here it is. Permaculture. Think Enviroscape LA.